In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete a calendar and board views in Microsoft Lists. By the end, you'll know how to fine-tune what you see in calendar and board views and how to remove a view you no longer need. Start by opening Microsoft Lists in your browser. From the Lists homepage, pick the list you want to work with. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar or check your recent lists. Make sure you have permission to edit views. If you can't access the options I'm about to show, you may need a list owner to grant you additional rights. Once your list is open, switch to the view you want to adjust. Use the view selector near the top of the page and choose either calendar or board. This ensures any changes you make apply to the correct view, not to another one like all items. If you want to quickly adjust how the view looks, open View Options and select Format Current View. This is great for visual tweaks such as conditional formatting, colors, or layout refinements. Use this when you want to highlight key information without changing which items appear. For board views specifically, choose Customize Card to show or hide fields on each card. Keep only the fields that add value, like priority owner or due date, so your board stays clean and scannable. For deeper control, go to View Options and select Edit Current View. This takes you to the Advanced Settings page for the selected view. Here, you can manage columns, sorting, filtering, grouping, and item limits. For calendar views, pay special attention to the date mappings. Choose which date column represents the start date, and if your items span time, which column represents the end date. Getting these fields right ensures events display correctly across days or weeks. When you're done making changes, click OK at either the top or the bottom of the page to save. If something doesn't look right, you can return to Edit Current View to adjust settings or to Format Current View for visual refinements. If you need to delete a view, first make sure you're currently on the view you want to remove. Then open View Options, choose Edit Current View, and on the Advanced Settings page, select Delete at the top or bottom. Confirm the prompt to finish. Remember, deleting a view does not remove any list items, it only removes that saved way of looking at them. Also note that deleting a public view usually requires higher level permissions than deleting a personal view. That's it. You now know how to edit formatting, customize cards, fine-tune advanced settings, and safely delete calendar and board views in Microsoft Lists.